.425 on the season is the graduate student. Swing and a miss there, though, so he'll go down swinging in his 4th season with Hofstra. Catalanato won the CAA title and took the Hofstra to the NCAA Regionals in 2022. Right here, a base hit, going to score the game's first run. Ball's hit high and deep and gone. Wow, barreled that one and got the carry out of here. So that's a 3-run shot for Mr. Cox. Tyler Cox had the leather, now responds with his bat. That's a 4th home run of the season for Cox, and those are his 19th. That ball is absolutely smoked and is way out of here. Home run for Masick, and it's a flat bomb. That's his 7th of the season and a no-doubter. Oh, my.
391 feet.
A moonshot, literally hit out of sight. And a home run by Masick. Ball served into left center field. Will it get down? It does, so that'll be a run-scoring double as Craig holds up at second. Nice piece of hitting there by Craig.